Hello guys, welcome to my challenge. It's me, Chona Jane. Muna ako. Magba-vlog. Kasi may gagawin tayo. Ito siya. Sorry, hindi nakita. Ito siya. Flower yan. Ibibigay ko kay mama. Tapos ito yung ginawa ko, squishy. Ito siya. May dugo lang. Pero lip tint yun, hindi yun. Tapos ito naman. Mag-ano tayo ng babasahin. Ha? Ito siya, oh. Oo. Diba? Ito ang moral stories book. Mamaya tayo magkain. Stop ko muna. Umaga ngayon, lalabas tayo. Ayan na, umaga, diba? Tapos, ito yung babasahin ko. Ito. Diba? Yan. Ito yung pinakauna niya. Ito yung babasahin ko. Be clean and remain healthy. Diba? There were once two friends, Charlie and Barry. Charles always remained neat and clean, but Barry was very lazy and never bothered to the clean. Barry did not even take bath unless his mother snowed him. There came a time for two annual picnic in the school, and everyone was excited about the same. Charles and Barry played a lot of games and were very happy to go off the same. Charles got a few bird game and Barry asked his mom to prepare his favorite snack a day before the picnic. Barry got an stomach ache. He started crying. His mother called the doctor.